Today we're going to look at this. T-brake. Hello again, mid-1970 here. Now unfortunately I went to the doctor's the other day, and while I was in the doctor's, a lady reversed into my car and broke the fog lamp. Now she was kind enough to leave a note on the windscreen, and they're really cheap, so we'll let bygones be bygones on this one. So I'm going to replace it, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. Here is the replacement part. Now as you can see, there are two tabs, one at each end, and there are two fixings down there. Now the two fixings on the bottom relate to, I don't know whether you can see it, these two hole positions here, and in there are two M8 bolts which I'm going to have to undo to get it out. So it's going to be a bit awkward trying to show that, so I'll just take them out and then show you it afterwards. So I've undone the two screws that hold these, and you just have to unscrew them about 3 turns just to slacken them off. If you undo them anymore, they'll fall out. So we have one tab here and one tab here. I'm just going to use a knife just to flip the tab up. That's one tab there. And that's the old lamp. So recover the bulb and the fitting. Now to give you a better understanding, you can see the sunlight there. That's one of the bolts, and the second bolt is there. And these tabs, they just slide underneath there and they're clamped, so there's no holes to go through. So now we'll plug the new light in and then we'll test it to make sure it works before we fit it back in place. So line up the clip, there we go. I'm just going to seat that there for now. And now I'll switch it on and try it. Okay, so refitting this is a reverse of how we got it in. We'll clip it in place and then tighten them two screws up underneath, and that's it, job done. Okay, so the lamp's fitted. Now to tighten the screws up. Well, it's taken me about 10 minutes and I've replaced the broken one for a nice shiny new one. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little episode. If you have, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you again in another episode. Bye bye for now.